Hi, my name is Jagdish Singh. I'm a marketing manager for Axia Plastics based in Hyderabad and for Telangana. We are basically a Vinmar Group company, and our sister concern Overseas Polymers Private Limited, and is based in Hyderabad. And Mr. Rajesh is looking for OPPL. We basically are ExxonMobil representative in Hyderabad and in South region, and I'm heading Telangana and Hyderabad. We basically sell LLDPs, LDPs, HDPs, and other commodity polymers. We also are a distributor for MCAS at master batches in South India. We also do cabot black master batches. Apart from that, our parent company Vinmar is a Indian company who is helping the customers for importing the raw material into the country. As a company, Axia Plastic is an OPPL has a turnover of 8,500 crores per annum, and its parent company Vinmar is the third world largest importer of polymers in the world.
My name is Shardul. I am AGM Logistics and Warehousing at Banyan Nation, and we are doing recycling of the HDPE and PP material. So right now we are having almost 12,000 tons of annual capacity at Banyan Nation. We do mechanical recycling of the bottles which are made from the HDPE granules, and this is a fully automated plant which gives a better quality, all compliant granules to the main brands.
Hello, I'm Rajesh. I'm representing Overseas Polymers, Hyderabad. See, Overseas Polymers is like a sister concern of Vinmar International. It's almost like 40 years old company, Vinmar. So we are in India since last 30 years. So we basically deal with all commodity polymers and specialty polymers. So we have around 15 to 16 warehouses across India and around 10 offices across India. So almost like we are doing good in Hyderabad right now.